So welcome again. So this is my seventh video of KTU Advanced Manufacturing Technology question paper solution. So this is from December 2019 question paper. And the question is question number 4. Write a manual part program for the given work shown in figure. Material thickness is 20 millimeter. Show the tool movement path and write the description of blocks. All dimensions are in millimeter and marks 10. So you have to prepare the manual part program for the given workpiece. So this is the workpiece and all dimensions are given. This distance is 55 plus 22. This is 29. This angle is 45 degree, 31, and this is 29, and this radius is 12. So show the tool movement path and write the description of blocks. Material thickness is 20 millimeter. So this is actually a Fanuc controller program. Okay, so the first line and last line, that is the percentage symbol. Then next is the program number. Next line, this is the program number. Here you can see 02345. This is a program number. Each program is identified with a program number, that is called a program number. Then next block N01, G21, G90, G94. That means metric, absolute positioning, and feed rate in millimeter per minute. Then G00, X minus 20, Y0. That means this is the origin. This is my 00. This is my 00. And X minus 20 means, so this is negative X. This direction is negative X. So minus 20 means safe distance. That means safe distance from the workpiece. G00, X minus 20. Then G00, Z20. Z20 means again safe distance. Okay. So this is my workpiece. This is my workpiece. And this top surface is Z0. And in the upward direction, that is positive Z, and in the downward direction, negative Z. So Z20 means safe distance. So Z20 means tool, say somewhat here. So that means this distance is 20. Okay, so that is the meaning of this Z20. That is the safe distance. Then G01, G42. G42 means, so tool movement is like this. Okay, and G01 means linear interpolation. G42 means cutter diameter compensation. So here the cutter has some diameter. So whenever I will write the program, I will use this center line. Okay, so but the problem is the cutter has some radius, cutter has some diameter. If I will not compensate this radius, so what happens is this much extra portion will be removed. So I have to compensate the radius. So that's why I will use this code G42. So you just use this code because for studying purpose. So you will not enter this program into the machine. So if you are actually entering this program into a machine, some changes will be there. So here for studying purpose, you just use this G code G42. That means compensation, cutter diameter compensation. Okay, you know this term G42. Then Z minus 20. Z minus 20 means that is depth. So this Z minus 20 means the depth. So the thickness of this workpiece is 20. And M03 spindle rotation, S1000 clockwise, M08 coolant on, and the feed rate is 10 millimeter per minute. Okay, so here feed rate unit is given G94 millimeter per minute. Then G01, X0, Y0. X0, Y0 means this is the current tool's position. Then G01, X46. So X46. So X46 means this is X46. This point is X46. Okay. Then next is G01, Y, X77, Y31. So this point. This point is X77, and the Y value is 31. This Y value is 31, this point. Then Then from this point to this point, so this point here, this x value is, so x value is 77. This x value is 77, and this y value, so the y value is 29 plus 31. So 29 plus 31, that is 60. So y value is 60. Y value 60. Then next is okay. So then next point, this point. So this point is, so x value is 22. So x value is 22. Here you can see x is 22, and this y value, so the y value is 60. Y value is 60. Then next point, this point. So this is x value is okay. So this x value is 0, and this y value is 31. So here, that's why G01, X0, Y31. Then tool moves from this point to this point. So this point is X0. And what about the Y value? Y value is 12 because the radius is 12. Because this radius is 12. X value is 0 and Y value is 12. Then next is tool circular interpolation. So that is clockwise, that is using G02. Sorry, not clockwise, counterclockwise. So this is the tool direction. That means this is in this direction, that is counterclockwise. That is G03. That is G03. So here, G03. So the x value, so here the x value is 12 and y value is 0 and the radius is 12. Okay, so that is completed. Then G40 means cutter compensation cancel. So here G42 means cutter compensation. Sorry. 1 minute. Okay, so here, okay, so here tool moves in this direction. So using G42. So if suppose tool is like this, so tool movement is like this. So using G41. So here this is cutter compensation right side. So here cutter compensation left side. That is the difference between G41 and G42. Okay, so here you just use this G42 and then finally using this G40. G40 means that compensation cancel. Then G00 x minus 20. X minus 20 means safe distance. X minus 20 means safe distance. This is x minus 20. That is the safe distance. Then G00 is at 20. Again safe distance. M05 spindle stop. M09 coolant off, and the end of the program. So that's all about that question. Write a manual part program for the given workpiece. This is the workpiece shown in figure. Material thickness is 20 mm. Show the tool movement and write the description of blocks. So this is the description of blocks. Okay. Whenever you will write the program, you have to write the description of blocks. So for example, N01, what is the meaning? So meaning is metric input, that is G21. G90 means absolute programming. Then G94 field rate unit is millimeter per minute. Then the next block G00 x minus 20 y0, that means safe distance. Safe distance means the distance from the workpiece. That is called a safe distance. Okay, so this is the program. Thank you.